Are you a crypto enthusiast and you're looking to get into the action on cryptocurrency and possibly buy your first cryptocurrency in 2022? Are you scared or feel unsure of how to best to research and navigate the hundreds of cryptocurrencies in the crypto market and choose the best coin to invest in? Hey, it's completely alright to have these concerns, and that's why in this video we'll be detailing just about everything you need to know about getting started buying cryptocurrencies this year as a beginner. But before we jump right into it, kindly give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and smash that notification bell to receive updates of when we post more informative finance and investment videos like this one. Ready? Let's dive in. The crypto market, as it has always been, has remained true to its highly volatile nature even in 2022. But regardless, there are still lots of people all over the world who are looking to get into the market and buy cryptocurrencies this year. And for most, it'd be their first cryptocurrency purchase. The focus, especially for new buyers, has to be a large extent shifted to countries where there are a lot of trading volumes. And crypto beginners are actively finding their ways to get into this space. As a new cryptocurrency investor, the diligent and wise choice is always to stick with the well-established cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are jointly the most popular cryptocurrencies in the market, with an overall and sound track record of increasing value over time. As a first-time buyer, you should be vigilant and do well to avoid the swarm of meme or poo coins that also pass as cryptocurrencies. These coins always have very little to no value at all, and the bulk of them were simply created to scam people out of their hard-earned money. Cryptocurrency investing can no doubt be very overwhelming at first, as there's a lot of information to take in, but here's a few steps to help you get started with buying crypto this year and ensuring you have a smooth experience while at it. Number 1. Research the cryptocurrencies you want to invest in. There are more than 17,000 cryptocurrencies on the market right now, and tokens and coins keep getting launched with every passing day. While some are great currencies with strong and reliable teams behind them, as well as having a carefully crafted business plan and strategy, others just have way too many red flags and should essentially be avoided. As a new investor, you'd be better off sticking with the more credible cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum ETH until you develop a much stronger knowledge of how the market operates. You should likewise frequently resist buying a coin when you don't understand its fundamentals, except for the fact that you know a lot of people are stocking up on it. The outcome is often disastrous. Also, when you do decide to try out newer coins that are largely unknown, diligently research their fundamentals. Investigate important details like the management team behind the cryptocurrency, the problems the crypto project is seeking to address, as well as the number of tokens it plans to issue. Conducting this research will safeguard you from falling victim to crypto scams. Number 2. Choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Once you've decided on a cryptocurrency to invest in, you need to open an account with a crypto exchange. Cryptocurrency exchanges are basically platforms that facilitate the trading of cryptocurrencies for digital assets and fiat currencies, and these exchanges can either be centralized or decentralized. Centralized exchanges, CEXs, remain the largest players in cryptocurrency trading activities globally, but decentralized exchanges, DEXs, are increasingly growing in popularity by the day. Centralized exchanges are crypto exchange platforms that take on a custodial role and serve as a third party by requiring you to trust them to help you carry out your crypto transactions. Centralized exchanges use the order book system that was developed and popularized by traditional finance systems, TradFi, in conducting crypto trades, and are largely regulated by local laws in the countries where they operate. There are hundreds of centralized cryptocurrency exchanges in the world today, with the two most popular being Coinbase and Binance. These centralized exchanges are secure and ideal for beginners, but they offer very few or only top cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc., which is just great if you're a beginner. The only possible downside is the advanced crypto traders who love trading in a variety of options. When choosing an exchange platform, you must necessarily be on the lookout for some important features of the exchange, such as the transaction fee it charges, exchange security, the availability of wallet services, and whether they list the cryptocurrencies that you are interested in buying. Centralized exchanges that offer wallet services simply store your cryptocurrencies securely in a digital wallet, which is software containing a private key by which you can access and trade your cryptocurrency. your wallet operates using a random number generator by the algorithm of what the cryptocurrencies you have purchased, and this random number is what is ultimately converted into a private key through which you can access your crypto. Your private key is personalized and is only usable by you. For every crypto transaction you engage in, the exchange automatically generates a public key from your private key that is shared on the crypto blockchain. Finally, before buying a cryptocurrency on a centralized exchange, you need to ensure that the exchange and wallet you want to use support the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Uniswap is presently the most popular decentralized exchange in the DeFi and crypto ecosystem, being entirely built on the Ethereum blockchain and accessible to anyone who wishes to trade Ethereum-based tokens. Decentralized exchanges have a non-custodial framework, meaning they do not serve as an intermediary or a third party. This means you retain custody of your cryptocurrencies and you'll be responsible for managing your wallets and private keys. DEXs are completely unregulated and would be the right exchange choice for you if you want exclusive privacy as a crypto trader. Buying cryptocurrencies on a DEX requires you to submit no personal information at all, even your name. DEXs are usually built on open source code, which makes this possible. By the open source codes, which is implied is that anyone interested in some coins can see exactly how they work and would be able to conduct their crypto transactions using smart contracts on the DEX. These smart contracts are completely automated and self-executing and enable instantaneous trade, often at a lower cost. DEXs free you as a crypto investor from having to trust a centralized entity to be solvent. All you need is a wallet that is compatible with the smart contracts on your exchange's network, which you'd fund with native tokens. Anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection can benefit from the crypto trading services offered by DEXs. Number 3, funding your account and placing orders. After you've chosen your exchange platform, you need to fund your account. Most centralized crypto exchanges allow users to purchase cryptocurrency using fiat currencies. Once you've funded your account with a sufficient or equivalent amount, you can place a buy order, which will then be matched with a sell order by the exchange at the same price. Payment services like PayPal and Venmo are commonly used by cryptocurrency traders to pay for cryptocurrencies. On decentralized exchanges, you cannot trade fiat currency for crypto. Instead, you can only exclusively trade cryptocurrency tokens for another cryptocurrency token. After choosing the network you'd want to use, you'll need to fund it with a native token of crypto token you're looking to buy. Each trade will incur a transaction fee, and the native tokens are used to pay for such fees in the chosen network. Number 4, understand how crypto fits into your investment portfolio. Some people prefer traditional investments and hold an aversion to investing in crypto. For such people, dabbling into cryptocurrencies might pan out to be a terrible experience for them. But before you buy crypto, it's a good idea to be clear on your rationale for doing so. Take some time to think about why you're buying crypto and how it fits in with the rest of your investments. Are you looking to take a chance on the price of cryptocurrencies increasing in the long term, or do you believe blockchain technology has huge potential and you want to earn a passive income via fast-rising decentralized finance industry? Knowing the why is a good way to avoid panic selling during market crashes, and it also helps you make informed investment decisions. Number 5, balance out all of your financial goals. The golden rule of cryptocurrency investment is that you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. This essentially means that you should never take out a loan or take on any other debt to buy cryptocurrencies, or use the money you need to foot urgent bills. Cryptocurrencies are high-risk and volatile investments that should never come at the expense of other financial needs. Number 6, fully understanding crypto taxes. Cryptocurrencies are increasingly getting classified as properties and are being taxed by tax authorities in a growing number of world countries. Crypto transactions and gains are presently being taxed in countries like India, Italy, the United Kingdom, Germany, and the United States, Canada, etc. The scope and nature of cryptocurrency taxes are bound to continually change over time, so it's highly crucial to be very familiar with your obligations as a crypto holder and to keep record of all your transactions. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be a thoroughly exciting and truly remarkable experience, especially when you have a wholesome understanding of the risks involved and you're adequately equipped to manage such risks. Don't invest in crypto simply out of peer pressure or because you're being hunted by FOMO, fear of missing out. Instead, diligently investigate the crypto market to gain a thorough understanding of how it works and figure out just how much you are willing to invest in crypto. It'll likewise be of extreme importance to understand just how crypto aligns with your overall investment strategy and fits into your investment portfolio. This will most definitely help you get the most out of this new asset class. For more information on financial education, do check out the video here.